This is the surface finish calculator for theoretical array, which calculates the theoretical surface roughness for turning operations based on your cutting parameters. The calculator has two input fields. First is feed per revolution, marked as lowercase f, where you enter the feed rate in inches or millimeters per revolution. Second is tool nose radius, marked as lowercase r, where you input the radius of your cutting tool nose in the same units as your feed rate. Let me demonstrate with a typical example. I'll enter 0.008 for the feed per revolution and 0.031 for the tool nose radius. After clicking Calculate Surface Finish, the calculator provides two critical results. The theoretical ray shows 0.000065 in the same units as our inputs, representing the arithmetic average surface roughness we can expect. The maximum height, or Rmax, shows 0.000258, indicating the maximum peak-to-valley height of the surface profile. These values help you predict surface quality before cutting and optimize your machining parameters. Find the link in the description below.